Day 2. We've woken up, it is 9 AM and we're just heading to our little boats that we rented for the day. Dangers of vlogging, people on little scooters and you getting in the way. But we're just about to go on our boat and I think we're going to go to the Blue Lagoon today and Beneteau Islands. Oh gosh, I'm so tired. But yay, super excited. Are you excited, Amelia? Yeah. We're both like half awake, a bit out of it after a full-on day yesterday. But yeah, we'll take you on the cruise with us. Hi girls, excited for the boat trip?
Very excited. Very excited. It is approximately very hot degrees in Malta this morning. We are on our way with our supplies to the boat. Once we are on the boat, I'm assuming we will do a variation of eating, swimming, exploring, tanning, and you're about to see it all. So swipe here to follow me and swipe here to follow her.
Oh, here's our boat. Holy crap. Okay, so we all just got on the wrong boat. That was not ours. It was for 11 people. So now we're off to find our actual boat. Oops. Lily.
So this is, oh my god.
I think we're on the wrong boat again.
Oh wait.
Second time. And it's the wrong boat.
That one?
Wait, it's that guy. Hi, our boat is there. Hi. Oh.
3 times a charm.
We're off to our next boat. How many
used to be our boat. I don't know which boat we're on.
Yeah, we went on the wrong boat.
No, it's not. You can join us.
Thank you. Oh.
Okay, look, there we are.
This is our boat. Yay! 3rd time's the charm. We'll put all our stuff in there.
You did not just film that.
Yeah.
Sorry fans for that content.
How's the water, girls? Salty? Salty. Beautiful.
Get in, girl.
Ready, set, go, girl. Woo! So we've just arrived to these blue caves and he's going to drop us off, back us into the caves and let us have a little swim.
Okay.
Ready?
Ready?
Ready. But it was amazing.
Where are we heading towards? Is this even hooked up?
Oh, it's free. Yeah, let me see.
Whoa!
I drove us on the boat.
Yes!
Great
So we've just arrived to the Blue Lagoon and it is full of people, but it's still stunning. Look at the color of this water. It's amazing. But this is the reality. Let me show you how busy it is. Look how many people. Like, it's crazy. Oh my god, so many people, look at that. So I'm very happy we're on our little boat and we don't have to deal with that. We're gonna buy ice cream from him. I'm so excited. How much is it? How much? For
11 cherries is 4.
ooh,
And the is 3.
amazing. Ice cream.
The others are all 350. And the cornetto.
Can I have an almond
Yes.
magnum, please?
I might get the same.
3 of them.
Can I have the white chocolate and cookies, please? Thank you.
7.
You guys happy with your ice cream? Oh my god, it's swirly inside. How amazing is this ice cream? Do you not like my vlog, girls?
Love it.
Thanks. Woohoo! And we're about to go swimming in here. Very excited. Now for some lunch. So it's our last spot on the boat. We're just in Gozo. And we're just here chilling. Everyone's just relaxing.
I said.
Set, go. Woohoo! Hi, Jack.
Hello.
Hi, he's our skipper for today.
I hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah, it was great. We had a great time. And now we are just heading back. It's 2 hours back to Slima.
And we got one.
And we got some wine. Woo! To make the 2 hours nice and easy. Yay, Amelia! Second night, and we're just off to Valletta again for dinner. Hey! Hi, Joe. Another day, another night on the ferry to Valletta. Another day. I mean, it's not the most glamorous ferry, but the views are great. All the gals are wearing trainers tonight for the most part to walk through Valletta. I'm still in my sandals, but yeah, this epic little cobblestone hill. Oh yeah, it's not cobblestone. Awkward. I'm already winded from this little hill, but it should be nice to go and do Valletta again tonight. And after the stairs, we have another uphill. We're all dying. can earn our dinner tonight. Worth the climb for this view. So we're here to eat at the famous Giannini's. It should have amazing views of the city. So we're gonna go do that. Oh my god, I'm so winded. Here's our little entrance and it looks super cute. Super tiny little staircase. Oop. Hello.
Hi. Mind your head.
Thank you. Oh. Oh wow. This is beautiful. This is the prawn carpaccio. Amelia got the baby calamari, which looks amazing. There's some octopus there. What did you get, George?
Mozzarella. It's like a crazy but different.
What did you get for me?
And that's the lobster ravioli over there, which looks insanely good. I'm so jealous. And after an amazing meal, it is time for us to take the boat home. Here it is at night. We've had such an amazing time. Thank you so much for watching my Malta boat day and Valletta vlog. If you enjoy it, please like and subscribe, and see you soon. Bye!